Hello, howdy, welcome back to my channel. Here I am in a lovely environment right now. It feels very good and I can feel the oxygen. So I will show you some solutions for a technical problem, and I think it will help you. And if it does, please consider subscribing to my channel and support me like that. See you. The video help you? I hope it did. And if it did really, please consider subscribing my channel. I would appreciate your support in this lovely weather. See you later again. Bye.